Hello guys, I'm Dope Trades, and I recently saw a trading video where the channel had people doing trading view recap replay blind, and they were basically like trying to do cumulative R values. So I figured I would try that. I don't trade in R values because I think that's not really how the market moves, but just for the purposes of the challenge, I'm going to try it. I don't expect to do that well because it's not really my thing. When I use the replay tool, I typically just try to predict all the moves in between big trends. So we're going to try it, but I'm going to make it even harder so people can't say, oh, he's just cheating. So if I happen to do really well, you can't be like, oh, he's cheating. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to invert the chart. I'm going to make it, I'm going to flip it upside down. So I have the USD JPY, or the yen dollar pair, and I'm going to make this inverted. So now it's upside down, and then I'm going to change the color. Sorry, I'm going to remove those price lines so there won't be a price or a date. So remove that, and okay. And then I'm going to squinch the chart up. And then we're going to go do the replay. And I'm going to try to do it not too far back because I want to be able to do like 4-hour entry. And come back and we'll take a look at it. And this is where we are. Let me just check. Can I do 4-hour? Okay, I can. Cool. All right. And I'll just start marking it up, and we'll try to see if we can do anything. To get the highest R value, it's pretty tough. It's technically a monthly here. Okay, this is going to be pretty tough, I think. I don't see anything that I'm really keen on. Just, man, is this thing really going to move that far? That's really far. We'll just start with this. Man, I don't know. Confused here. About this. So we have a bigger leg here. Okay, I think, but that only gets you, if you come to there, you should only come back up. Okay, looks like a short setting up. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna say this was, let me just find the target again. Down here, the bottom one. Okay. Just above. I don't know, something like that. It's like 12R. But we're not even got in yet. Okay, we're in. And for me, it has to close above the stop. So a wick doesn't count. That congestion, that might play, but let me check. I gotta keep an eye on that weekly chart. Okay, should go lower. Okay, I think this was a spot that I marked. Yes. That might hold. Okay, I'm going to move this back up here. I don't want to get it back above that. So what is this R here? Okay, so we were at almost 12, so 11.7, call 11.75. And that's to the bottom. And if I were to make it here, what does that give it? 6.2. Okay, so we're currently at 7.5, and we don't want to get back above that 6. Well, we'll just call it 6. All right, and I'll probably move my stop to there. So let's do that, I think. Because if we get back above that, then I think we're coming a lot higher. We'll come back to about this congestion here. And then maybe we get another short. But let's just see if they get down there. So what do we say? 12, 11.75R is the big target. So let's copy and paste that, and we'll set it back up. And then this one was down to here. And then if we stop, come back above this line, then we take a 6. We're going to have a 6R trade. Okay, they're going to probably. I need to check this because I'm getting pretty aggressive with this level. What's this? That. Yeah, weekly's tough. Okay, let's move our stop again. So now we're moving it to here. So this left one will be where our stop actually is if we regain. And so what does that give us? Our risk to reward currently. So we're guaranteed 7.5 R on this trade. And we're looking for like 12. Close to 12. That's pretty close. All right, there it is, boys. First trade. What do we get? Should I guess, man, I'll just keep running this because I think this is going to get a big bounce here. But what is that? 11.75R on the first trade, or do I just take the profit? Let me check. Just let me check something. This is really tested. I think this goes lower. This probably makes a new low, but let me check the weekly. Where are we at? Okay, there. That's tested. That's going lower. What happened here? Our next profit target. That hit my target. I think I should. All right, what does that give me? If I move the stop to that, it gives me a 9R. Call it 9.5R. If we bounce and gain that. Okay, so we'll just take 9.5R if we bounce, and we got currently like almost 12R. Continue lower. Okay, that's a test. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move this down to there. If we regain this, I'm getting out, and our R would be 11.82 if we regain that. Close above. Not happened yet. Almost. Not yet. Still didn't gain, so we've locked in at least 12R right now, and we are going for. We're going to let this keep trickling down. So that's our current stop, and then we're going to try to go for this level. And what does that give us? That is 14.64. And our stop will be basically that same spot. Okay, stopped out for what do we have? I think it was like, what did we say? 12? We'll just call it 12R. Set above this line. Yeah, 11.75R. All right, so first trade, R equals current R equals 11.75. And I'll just, I don't know, put that over here or something. Okay. Clear this, clear this. Then we'll just step it through. We'll try to get a couple more trades. That was just one huge trade for a bunch of pips. We shorted up here. That's a lot, like 1,000 pips. I think that would have ended up working, I bet you. But held this. Okay, we got a trade setting up. That just gets us to that. That's not big enough, but maybe if we're doing cumulative R, we might get some good trades. So this is going to probably come to there. I think I missed this entry right there. Should have been my entry. And this is probably going to ramp. I just don't want to risk like something that's not super clean. Okay, here. That was a big support that we lost. This could come all the way back down. So just imagine had I had just kept my trade going, look how much we'd have had, but that's all right. Okay. We might get a trade soon. This is going to be a big spot, I think. That's that monthly, but it's tested. Man, this is nutty. All right. Okay, well, I'm definitely not trying to jump in. Interesting. Well, it's trying to figure out where they're going to take this thing because it's selling off hard. I think you're getting a new low, honestly. You're getting a new low below this swing, I bet. I'm not super interested until we gain a level, so to long. Holding some support. Okay, but I really want them to gain here before I am interested. Okay, just gonna smack. Okay, now we gained. Looks like they gained. Probably gonna get a bounce right there. And that just takes you to that. That's just so small. Okay, but we did gain. So I'm gonna try. I think I'm gonna try a long down here. I think I gotta change it. It's inversed. What do we do? We'll just do 7.5 because that's what we were at. And then this needs to get back at minimum to that. Minimum. But really, yeah, that's our spot. All right, we'll just do like 4%. So it's like 4-1 if we get down there. Okay, we didn't get down there yet. Well, we didn't get the trade because we didn't get to my spot. But that would have been a nice little trade. That should get a smack. Maybe we come down and get it. And then we can set up for a bigger trade if it does. Okay, cool. We're in. That didn't. I don't like it the way they did it. This is going to go higher than that, though. This will go up to here. Let's just see. What's that? Like a 6.75R? No. We'll put our stop at break even. So basically, this line here is our stop point. I'll change the color to red. So we basically will have this. If we scratch, we scratch. We've got to close below it. We scratch for basically a no loss. And we're gonna looks like getting ready to. Yep. Okay. So we scratch. No loss there. Um, they're gonna come down to this bottom spot, I think. Yep. Okay. So we're break even still at 11.75 with 2 trades. Probably should have not been greedy, but what can you do? Okay. If we regain this spot here, we're going to come to that red line. Regain. Let's see if we get an entry. What's that? 127? I don't want to do that. It's too low. Oh, I guess I should. But I want to go higher, honestly. I want to be greedy. Let's test it. I still want this, man. Yeah, we'll try it. We'll get in and try it. Okay, that's almost 2. We'll put the stop back to break even again. So this one, we'll turn it red. This is our first green target for like just under 2R. Okay, that's that 2R trade. I think we're getting stopped for break even soon. Oop, I need to move this so we can see it. And we're stopped for break even. I should have went with the 2R. That's 2 trades that I've gotten greedy with because I'm trying to get huge R, but whatever. Okay, let's see if we get another setup. I will take a trade down here because we did gain that. So yeah, we're getting ready to get another good trade, I think. Going for it, man. We're going for it. Put it down there, so that'll be an even 1. It's like a 5R. Well, I don't want to. Not yet. So we can still come to here. Got tested. That lost, so we're gonna probably make the new low. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Okay, held. Okay. We're gonna come to here. It's not big enough. Which is that? 3R? Okay, we'll try that. I'll wait for an entry. I don't really want to enter on that candle. Let me check the 4 and see if there's a better entry. Try that. That gives us 4.61R if we get in. Okay, we're in. Immediately stopped out for 0.3 risk. So that means they're going to come to this one. Where did that cumulative R go? Okay, so I lost 0.3 there. So that puts it at 0.45. So scratch that trade. I'm trying to get a bunch of huge trades, but it'd be easier to to do this. Did I not get in? Are you kidding me? Just missed a huge trade for 20R because it never entered, never hit my entry. Wow. Huh. Okay. I thought we were going to bounce really hard. I should have put my stop down here below that low, and then we would have rode this monster trade. Okay, well, can't win them all. Okay, so we can come back to there. Okay, a bunch of stuff. Okay, we're going to try to get in here. If we get down there. Okay, we're in. This is probably too tight, honestly. Probably should make it down here. But we're risking like 1%. Okay. That's we're going for 8R, but we're way ahead, so let me double check because I might move this target, honestly. Because when I look at this is a monster. This is a monster. Yeah, we're going all the way up here. Hmm. As long as we don't lose support, I'm gonna let it ride. We just lost support. We're not losing our big spot, and I think we get to our target. All right, we hit our target. That's 8R, 7.84. But we're going higher, man. The weekly wants way up here. So let's move it all the way up to there. And that's a monster. What's that? 11.5R? That should have gone. We're getting ready to break down. Okay, I'm going to say that's my target hit. I'm kicking out, so what's that exactly? I'll move it down to the tip. We'll say that's 11. We'll just call it 11R to be safe. If you move it to the exact candle, it's like 10.9. We'll just make it 11. All right, 11 more R right there. We've only won 2, and we've scratched on like a couple, but there's a couple that we've missed. So we'll just add 10 more R. So that would be 21. Maybe I'll do like 5 trades, and then we'll be done. But I think this thing's going to continue. That's just a safe spot. I can get rid of some of these lines though. Forward. Yep, we're gonna go. Come all the way back up. It's tested. I'm gonna step forward to the weekly because I'm not interested here just yet. That's gonna go above. Okay. Kind of interested there. Okay, we might be interested here. Wait for it to lose support though. Okay. Didn't lose. Continuing. Okay. Let's test it. Ah. Hmm. Just never gain. On a new high. Oh, I missed some trades, but thought we were setting up for the short. I missed it. Okay, well, maybe we'll try to do like one more. I don't know. This is gonna probably sell off pretty hard now. Maybe we'll try to get another long. Hmm. This is not good. I think we're gonna make a new low, honestly. Top of this congestion. I'll just say that. That's just ugly. That's not what I want. There's nothing that's really clean to me. This is gonna get staining. All right, well, it's a test. We really need to get above this wick. Okay, we did. Okay. It's not the best trade now. Check where we are. Just Okay, we'll try a long. I really don't want to lose. Try to go for 4R at least. Risking 2R. Looks like we just almost got stopped. Need to move this. Can't see. See. It's in the way. But it's looking like we're going for almost 8R if this works. This is really bad. I can't see this now because it's probably gonna go. Almost got stopped again. Okay, we're going. It's gonna play that, but that's tested. Oh, sorry, that's 4R. We're going 4. Let's just play it out. Let's these play. I don't like it, man. It really should get up there. Huh. So close to stopping out a few times. All right. Let me just move in here so we can see what's going on. Is this it? That's not it. Where's the move it over? How long this trade took. Normally I wouldn't do that, but we're trying to get big R values that's tested. Okay. That's pretty freaking close. I'll take it. 7.5R will add to it. And we'll lock that in the books. So let's go back and find our cumulative R. And we said 17. What did we say? 7.5. So we'll just round up. So that'll be 9. So 29R. And that didn't quite. I'm fudging it a little bit. It didn't quite get there, but it's probably like a couple tenth of a percent. So whatever. We're rounding error. Get rid of this now. And let's see what's happening here. Low. Get ready to lose support again, which they did. Which takes you to this spot. Getting ready to dump it, I think. There's that next spot. These are just really small R trades, so that's why I'm not taking them. But you could be adding like 1 and 2R over and over, I guess. Maybe I should do that just to try to hit, what, 30R? We're at 29. What did I say? I was going to do another one. I guess I'll stop the video there. It's probably getting long, but that's pretty good, guys. 29R kind of swing trades. We stopped out. We had two big winners, like 2 or 3 winners, and then a couple scratches for almost even. I'll take it, man. 29R. We'll stop it there. Thanks, guys.